My name is Myles Jenkinson. I work for the University of Surrey in the education industry, and my role is the Design and Engineering Manager. The area that I'm stood in at the moment is a project that has been set up here at the university for students to come in, receive some competency training on 3D printers, and then come and use the machines themselves, pay for the material that they're using, and then take components away, whether they're for projects that they're using for their course or personal items that they want to use at home. The machine behind me was supplied by Evo3D. It's a large-scale, large-format 3D printer that the students will also be trained how to use, and if they would like a large-scale print, they can then come in and use the machine behind me to print components themselves. So we've used the machine to be able to produce components that we would never have been able to achieve before. Before, we would have had to split models up into multiple components and then glue them together, whereas now we can produce single components on a large scale for students and research projects. So originally, Evo3D was just a supplier for us, so they supplied the machine itself. But in terms of projects, we can now use them as a supplier for the materials themselves, so they can supply materials that are specific to certain projects and offer advice as well. If there is a certain material that students are after, we can reach out to Evo3D and they can offer advice on that as well. So one of the projects we've recently worked on involved using a lot of material, and Evo3D alongside ourselves came to a solution where we decided that using 2 large reels of filament and then combining them within the same print resolved the issue of not having enough material loaded into the machine to be able to produce the entire print itself. So having access to Evo3D's technical support is a massive help to us and my team. Also, the supplies that they're able to provide for us are really useful for student projects and all of the parts that we print here in the university. So using Evo3D as a supplier and having them on our system is a massive benefit to me, because we were able to order the machine from a UK-based supplier. We were able to have it supplied within the timescale that we needed it in. One of the things that surprised me the most about having Evo3D as one of our suppliers is how down-to-earth, genuine they are, and how good their customer support is. I'd definitely recommend Evo3D to other industries and other companies. We're an educational industry ourselves, but they are more than capable of supplying all other engineering industries